Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Alexa button on your Amazon Fire TV is not working. And this can get really frustrating because you're trying to use the feature and it simply won't work. Now, this could be because your Firestick remote or your Fire TV remote recently got disconnected and you reconnected it, but you didn't do all the steps necessary. So if you're able to, you want to scroll all the way to the right and then go to controllers and Bluetooth. And then you want to go to Amazon Fire TV and go to add new remote. And then add the remote under this section. It says hold down the home button for 10 seconds and it should appear under this list, and then simply just select it. And once you add it, you should be able to, be good to go. You should be able to use the Firestick Alexa button now. Otherwise, you can see these Firestick remotes in here. You could try just simply selecting these, but it looks like they're this one's offline, and this is the one that's currently connected right here. And yeah, it says voice remote on the type, but that's usually what does it for me. Like, I reconnect it, but it's not fully connected actually. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.